Ever wondered how to create a game like Fortnite and make a fortune? Today we take the plunge into the vast realm of game development, where we'll dissect the sophisticated procedure and reassemble it into digestible steps. The inception of any video game is its fundamental concept. This can be likened to the seed from which the entire game tree sprouts. What form of world will be the playground of your virtual characters? Who are these denizens that will populate this cosmos? This initiates the brainstorming process, which is the foundation of game development. The art style and setting then tell a tale of their own, acting as the backdrop to your story. These elements are the first a player engages with when they step into your virtual world, providing an immediate sense of immersion. Sculpting memorable characters and an engaging storyline are significant, as this forms an emotional connection with the player, drawing them deeper into the world you've created. The gameplay mechanics, level design, and overall flow of the game are other crucial aspects of game development. Throughout game creation, consistent testing and tweaking are critical to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Remember, the focus is on building a world that captivates players and keeps them coming back for more. Still, the cornerstone of any video game lies in its core concept. What kind of world will your game be set in? What kind of characters will inhabit this universe? The art style, setting, and characters are the first elements a player will interact with, making them crucial in creating an immersive experience. Next, we transition to the exploration of gameplay mechanics. The essence of gameplay mechanics encapsulates elements such as the kind of weapons and gear available for use. This pertains not only to their aesthetic but also their functionality and impact on the gameplay. It's like stepping into an armory where each weapon, each piece of gear has its own unique story to tell and role to play. Moreover, it includes the balance in gameplay. This balance is a delicate harmony that exists between various components of the game. It is the equilibrium that ensures that every player, regardless of their gaming style, finds something to connect with. It is the invisible that keeps the player engaged and invested, always pushing the boundary but never crossing the line. Then, we have the unique features that set your game apart from the rest in the crowded marketplace. These unique features are the game's signature, its identity. They could range multiplayer capabilities, providing a platform for players to connect, compete, and collaborate. It could include building mechanics, giving players the power to create, adapt, and evolve within the game. Finally, the design of maps and environments immerses the players into a whole new world, a world that they can shape, that they can call their own. This journey through gameplay mechanics, weapons to balance to unique features, is an integral part of the gaming experience. It could be anything from multiplayer capabilities to building mechanics to the design of maps and environments. But what is a game without sound and narrative? These elements are far from mere details. They are fundamental components that add another layer of depth to the player's experience. Consider the storyline, for which acts as the backbone of the game. It provides an engaging plot that keeps players invested, eager to uncover what comes next. Then, there's the dimension of voice acting. Professionally delivered dialogues can lend authenticity to characters, making them more relatable and real. This is further elevated by sound effects. Whether the soft pitter-patter of rain or the deafening blast of a cannon, these sounds can make the gaming environment feel more tangible, enhancing the overall experience. Another critical aspect is the music composition. The right soundtrack can stir emotions, creating a mood that complements the game's theme. Be it the ominous tones in a horror game or the soothing melodies in a puzzle game, music can truly enhance the gaming experience. A well-crafted narrative can make a player feel a part of the game world. Sound design can enhance this immersion. After all, the power of a game extends beyond its visual appeal, reaching into the realms of sound and narrative to create a truly engaging experience. Once the game is ready, it's time to test. This stage is crucial, a litmus test for the game's potential success. It's the moment to put the game through its paces, to subject it to an in-depth review to ensure everything runs smoothly. Playtesting is an essential phase where the developers gather valuable feedback from the players. They observe, they listen, they take notes. All this information is then used to tweak, enhance, and perfect the gameplay experience. It's a process that involves iterative refinement, each time making incremental improvements to the game. In parallel, attention be paid to user interface design. The goal is to create a design that is as intuitive and user-friendly as possible. This not only involves creating a clear visual style but also integrating helpful features such as tooltips and tutorials. Equally important is the focus on accessibility features. These are the elements that make your game inclusive, allowing everyone, regardless of their physical or cognitive abilities, to enjoy your product. This involves text readability, sound cues, colorblind modes, and more. This stage isn't simply about ensuring your game functions correctly, but also about making it enjoyable and inclusive for everyone. Ultimately, the goal is ensuring your game is easy to navigate and accessible to all players. But the game development process doesn't end at launch. This marks the beginning of a whole new chapter for the developers, where they step into an ongoing cycle of communication, promotion, and enhancement. This is when they start actively engaging with the community, the players who invest their time and emotions in the game. This interaction is pivotal as it helps in understanding the needs and expectations of the players and making necessary amendments accordingly. Additionally, marketing strategies are implemented to maintain the game's visibility and reach. Some techniques include social media promotion, influencer collaborations, sponsored events, and more. Post-launch support comes next, ensuring any issues or bug fixes are addressed promptly. Lastly, the potential for expansions or downloadable content, DLC, offering new gameplay to keep the interest alive, are all crucial aspects of keeping your game relevant and profitable. Finally, we touch upon the financial aspect. To ensure profitability, you can delve into multiple revenue streams. Microtransactions, which involve small in-game purchases, are a prevalent strategy. Alternatively, subscription services provide consistent monthly income. Some developers also turn their games into esports spectacles, attracting an enormous competitive audience that boosts the game's popularity and profitability. The process of creating a game involves many steps. It starts with conceptualization, where the idea is born. This is followed by design, where the game's visual and interactive elements are created. Testing is a crucial phase to identify and rectify any faults before launch. After launch, the game needs continuous updates and improvements. Each phase is integral to the game's overall success. It's a challenging yet incredibly rewarding process that can turn a simple idea into a worldwide sensation. As we're about to wrap up this insightful journey, we'd like to express our gratitude to you, our dedicated viewers. Your continued support drives us forward, inspiring us to create engaging content that appeals to your interests. We value your input and genuinely appreciate the feedback you provide. If you found this video informative and engaging, we kindly ask you to click the like button. This simple action has a profound impact on our ability to produce more content. We invite you to share your thoughts on the game development process outlined in this video, so don't hesitate to comment below. Your perspective is crucial in molding the future of our content. If you wish to stay in the loop with our latest videos, we encourage you to hit the subscribe button. This pledge of support goes a long way in helping us deliver more enriching content that caters to your interests. Remember, every like, comment, and subscription fuels our motivation to forge ahead, crafting more educational and entertaining content for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of game development, we must acknowledge a rapidly evolving component: artificial intelligence. AI plays a pivotal role in creating dynamic, responsive, and immersive gaming experiences. It's the invisible puppeteer behind non-playable characters, dictating their actions and reactions in a way that feels organic and real to the player. AI's impact on gameplay and player experience cannot be understated. It adds unpredictability and diversity to the game environment, making every playthrough unique. From simple tasks like pathfinding to complex endeavors such as creating adaptive, learning opponents, AI enhances the player's engagement with the game. Looking ahead, the role of AI in game development is poised to become even more significant. With advancements in machine learning and neural networks, we can expect games that learn from and adapt to player behavior, creating personalized experiences that push the boundaries of immersion. As we continue to explore and harness the potential of AI, it's clear to see that this technology is not just an optional extra, but an integral part of the game development process. AI is revolutionizing game development, enhancing gameplay, and creating more immersive experiences for players. As we step into the future of game development, AI will undoubtedly be at the forefront, shaping the way we play and experience games. Next, let's explore the impact of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, on the landscape of game development. The rise of VR and AR in the gaming world has been nothing short of phenomenal. They provide gamers with an unprecedented level of immersion, transporting them directly into the heart of the game world. With VR, players are no longer just controlling characters on a screen, they are becoming the characters themselves, experiencing the game world from a first-person perspective. AR, on the other hand, brings the game world into the real world, overlaying digital elements onto our physical surroundings, blurring the line between reality and fantasy. These technologies are not just changing the way we play games, they're changing the way we develop them. Game developers are now tasked with creating 360-degree environments, considering physical movement and interaction, and developing new mechanics that fully utilize the immersive potential of VR and AR. Looking ahead, we can expect the influence of VR and AR on game development to grow even further. With advancements in haptic feedback technology, we are moving towards a future where players can not only see and hear the game world, but feel it too. In conclusion, VR and AR are transforming the gaming landscape, offering players more immersive and interactive experiences than ever before. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in game development, these technologies will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of gaming. Finally, let's look at the future of game development. As we move forward, we can predict several trends that will shape the gaming industry. First, the continued advancement of technology will undoubtedly have a significant impact on game development. With the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, we can expect games to become more dynamic, adaptable, and immersive. We might even see games that can learn from and adapt to the player's style and choices, creating a truly unique gaming experience for every individual. The future also holds the potential for new genres and gameplay mechanics. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the possibilities for what can be achieved within a game. We can expect to see new types of games that challenge our understanding of what a game can be, offering new and exciting experiences for players. Moreover, the lines between different forms of media are continuing to blur. We can expect to see more crossover between games and other forms of entertainment, such as movies, TV shows, and even virtual and augmented reality experiences. This convergence of media will provide even more opportunities for game developers to innovate and create unique experiences. In conclusion, the future of game development is exciting, with endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. As technology continues to advance, game developers will be presented with new challenges and opportunities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. So, whether you're a developer looking to create the next big hit or a gamer excited for the future, there's no doubt that the best is yet to come. And that's it for today's video, folks. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of game development, exploring its many aspects from the foundation to the future. We hope you've enjoyed this comprehensive look at game development and have gained valuable insights. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or down. Your feedback helps us understand what content you find most valuable and interesting, so we can continue to provide you with the best possible content. And we would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Do you agree with our predictions for the future of game development? Or maybe you have your own ideas about what the future holds. Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. And most importantly, if you want to stay up to date with the latest content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We cover a wide range of topics, from game development and technology to entertainment and more. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Remember, your engagement helps us create more of the content you love. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate your support and look forward to continuing to provide you with insightful, engaging content. Thank you for watching.